Sa part 1 ng ating ultimate Georgian culinary experience, humigop tayo ng kanilang chicken soup na chikertma. Kumain din tayo ng Georgian sausage na tawag ay kupati na gawa sa pork and beef meat. We also tried the fried potato and fried pork na tawag ay ujakuri at hindi natin pinalagpas ang paborito ng mga Pinoy na pumupunta ng Georgia, ang kanilang pork barbecue. This time, mag-tour naman tayo sa ibang parte ng Georgia and let us taste their dessert na ang tawag ay chorchella. Tikman din natin ang kanilang kakaibang ice cream na gawa sa wine, ang inaasam-asam natin na pork shawarma at ang kanilang staple food na mother bread. Let us get to know more about the beautiful country of Georgia, coming right up. Among the food tours that we're going to do, we need to find out historical background of a country. So this is just one of the things that you need to do when you're here in Georgia and you need to visit this place. The Chronicles of Georgia has 16 pillars. It's very high. The lower part of these pillars talks about the life of Jesus from the time he was born up to the time he died on the cross and his resurrection. And the upper part of these pillars are actually talking about the kings and queens of Georgia, the former kings and queens of Georgia, and how they established this country. So we're on our way to that church. It's another church beside the riverbanks. This is part of the old Tbilisi. This is the original capital. Yeah, it's the old capital. It's called Tbilisi. We're on our way to take a quick look. Yeah. Itong tinitikman natin ngayon ay tawag dito ay chorchella. This is known as a classic dessert of the Georgians. Gawa ito sa walnut or hazelnuts. Parang mas madaling tandaan, tinatawag din nila ito bilang Georgian Snickers. Binalot ito ng thickened juice ng iba't ibang klaseng prutas kaya iba't iba ang kulay ng mga ito. This one and this kiwi. Okay. Now you have the money. I don't have the money. Yeah. One ice cream. 1.5 hot or cold? Cold, yeah. Of course, ice cream. So this is amazing because we're first time we will try a wine ice cream. So we wonder how it tastes now. Yeah. It smells like berries, no? It smells good. So it'll be the first time that we are going to try wine ice cream. Definitely not for kids because it has alcohol, but definitely for adults. It's sweet, it has a berry taste, although this is made from grapes, right? Usually, yeah. But there's a taste of berry, so probably it's just the flavoring. Tastes really nice. Once you come to this area in Tbilisi, come and check for the wine ice cream. All right, I'll taste one because we already tried it in the other area. So the taste of the walnut is very nice. So let's pay this and then let's move ahead to the next destination. How much is this again? 5 lari. Thank you. Why don't you invite everyone? You ask them to come to your shop.
Come. Let's go.
Visit here outside, just outside the church. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. So this area just outside the church as well, there are a lot of souvenir items which you can actually check out and buy as well when you come to visit here.
Sana all. And don't forget, I am Big Marisol. Muralog price, maganda offer with Malachian discount.
So we head back to the old Tbilisi at sumakay kami ng cable car, which costs only 2.50 lari per person. This will take you to the top of the mountain kung nasaan ang iba't ibang tourist spots, kagaya ng Botanical Garden at ang famous na landmark nila na Mother of Georgia. So we have reached the Mother of Georgia statue, so we are at the peak right now of the mountain, and this is in old Tbilisi, so enjoy the view. And on the other side of the cliff, the Botanical Garden. So this can be found on top of the mountain where the mother of Georgia is. Cinnamon buns. And some Turkish coffee if you like. And finally, ang ating pinaka-food trip of the day, ang pork shawarma. So we are right now here in a restaurant called Good Food, and we are ordering pork shawarma. And they have a lot of shawarma in this area. We're in the process of ordering. They have chicken and then pork shawarma. So they're making the shawarma now. You can take a look. It's okay to take a video of the shawarma. Ang kanilang pork shawarma ay nakabalot sa saj bread. Ito yung super nipis na tinapay na para na siyang papel. Then nilagyan nila ito ng special sauces, mga gulay, tomatoes, onions, chili as per your request, at shredded pork meat or chicken meat if you like.
Shawarma, chicken, pork.
He's now putting the pork on the sheets of bread, and it has lettuce, tomato. Look at that amount of pork that they have put. It's just a lot. And I think it's tahini sauce and some garlic paste. They started wrapping it up. Look at that. This is just the small size. This is just a small size that we order. Look. And they're grilling it to make it a bit crispy and to make the bread hot. I can't wait to taste this pork shawarma. And just outside this shop, there are all shawarma shops, other shawarma shops that you can actually choose from. Just here in this area of Kakheti Square in Tbilisi. Say hi guys, especially the one who made the shawarma. Say hi. Thank you very much. Now, shawarma is ready. Sorry, all takeaway, but put the plastic. Everything. Get confused about takeaways because all of it are takeaway. We're going to eat outside like this. That's fine. Okay. This is small or medium? These are small. These are ginormous small sizes, they said. We are excited to taste this, how exactly it tastes. Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you. This is perfect. We can actually do food review. This is for you, hold this. So just imagine this is the shawarma. It's a bit spicy and we're eating it beside the street right now just to experience the vibe, the weather, the cold weather. So let's taste this one now while it's hot. It is saucy, it's delicious, it's saucy, it's flavorful. You can actually taste the herbs and the spices.
Wrapper, it's crunchy.
The wrapper is crunchy itself, it's nice. And the meat, it's just a lot. There's tons of meat in this small size shawarma. Actually, you can enjoy this for 2 people, no? We're just gonna finish this shawarma that we have and enjoy the rest of the day. We're going to wrap this day with our friends Thea and Andrew. We are Wondering Kusina and we're going to say goodbye for now. My name is Chakoy.
Hi, Mark.
Here in Tbilisi, Georgia, we're going to say stay cool, stay safe, stay blessed, and peace. Enjoy. It's really good food. Our next stop is the Kakheti region. Kakheti is known as the wine capital of Georgia. Naitala ang Georgia as the very first winemakers in the world, which dates back 8,000 years ago. But of course, food stop muna tayo at tikman natin ang mother bread. Ang mother bread ay isang staple na tinapay ng mga Georgians na gawa sa harina at niluto sa pugon for around 15 minutes. Best itong i-partner sa cheese at sunflower oil. We're somewhere going to Kakheti, and I think we are in the Kakheti region. We just bought this mother bread from that shop. Hindi namin pinakita yung pugon kasi nasa loob. Tapos dito, just beside the road, they're selling the cheese. And this freshly baked bread, it's best paired with lamb cheese. So we don't know how much the cheese will cost because this is best paired with cheese. He's now chopping the lamb cheese. And they said this is best paired with this bread. So this is the mother bread and we're going to eat this along with this cheese. Kinakain lang nila to directly with the bread. So they eat the bread and then they eat the cheese as well. So let's try it out. Cheese. It's not salty. Taste is just very fine. Hindi siya maalat, hindi siya matamis. It's just more of dairy siya na, alam mo yung may a little bit of cream, may creaminess sa kanya. Yung flat taste ng bread, ma-enjoy mo siya kasi crispy. Isa ito sa mga dapat yung puntahan. It's quite far from the city, from Tbilisi, but it's worth going dito sa area na to ng Kakheti. So we are in the Kakheti region. After this, there will be a different site that we have to go to, which is the wine tasting. And we are excited about that.